Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo A96. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's enter Google app, tap button in the top right corner and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, voice match and make sure to enable Hey Google function. Now go back, enter lock screen, and also make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, OK Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
There'll be scattered showers with a high of 67 and a low of 47.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.